We've tried to fire Derek 8 times.
9?
9.
The problem is, every time we sit him down, he mentions something.
Before we start, did you know the fuel cards auto-renew at the premium tier? I switched us back. Saves about $4,000 a month.
We'll circle back.
Last time it was the insurance audit. Time before that, he found a vendor double billing us since 2019.
Derek saves us $20,000 a month.
Derek is also, personally, the reason morale is at an all-time low.
I've been let go 3 times today. I keep coming back. They need me.
He's not wrong. That's the worst part.